Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Sign into OneDrive on the device you'll use and confirm the app is updated. Once signed in, open OneDrive settings and enable Personal Vault if it's available for your account. Now unlock the vault by completing the authentication flow. This creates an encrypted, protected space. Move one small photo into the vault first to verify it appears inside. This first move proves the vault is active and that your account-level protection is working as intended. Once the vault is open, select the photos you want hidden and use Move to place them into the Personal Vault folder. On mobile use, Share then Save to Vault. Make sure you understand sync behavior. On Windows, the vault appears in File Explorer, and on mobile, the files sync to cloud and stay encrypted. After moving, free up local space to remove unencrypted local copies so the images remain cloud-only and protected. Also set the vault timeout to lock automatically when idle for added safety. Finish by verifying every image is visible inside Personal Vault and not elsewhere in your photo albums. Delete duplicates and empty the OneDrive recycle bin so hidden copies aren't recoverable. Make sure Vault Timeout and a PIN or biometric lock are configured, and sign out of OneDrive on any shared devices. If something goes wrong, for example, the vault doesn't appear or uploads fail, update the OneDrive app. Confirm your account supports Personal Vault, and try pausing then resuming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.